Chocolate?
Be respectful of nature. Oleh itu, sampah dibuang di tempat yang disediakan. She has guarded.
Hai. पूरे बॉटल्स अंदर पता ला कलर पार हेलो तित्र कलर्स प्लास्टिक मन तिनता
Sila impas QR code untuk mendapatkan lebih
कत्तल कत्तल है हमारे कत्तल है तक
8 malam akan bermula sebentar sahaja lagi. Sila bersedia di pintu masuk.
कत्तल है बोलो रहा
Mulakan perjalanan anda. Terima kasih.
A story like the forest begins with a single seed and takes root in our imagination.
Mighty Kedambai, guardian of the dream forest. Tell us the story of Tasik Dayang Bunting again, please.
Once upon a time, a mortal prince named Mateja fell in love with the beautiful voice of a princess who was invisible to him. Her name was Mambang Sari. Because Mambang Sari was from the fairy kingdom, her world was invisible to mortals like Mateja.
Oh dear!
In order to find Mambang Sari and to see into the invisible realm, Mateja was asked to wash the tears of a mermaid upon his eyelids.
Wow! That can't have been easy.
Mambang Sari and Mateja fell in love and had a child, but sadly the child was not long for this world. His spirit remained in the waters of Tasik Dayang Bunting, and the broken-hearted Mambang Sari turned herself into the hills that protect the lake until today.
So sad. Kedambai, how about the tale of Maru Mahawangsa?
The mighty warrior Merong Mahawangsa and his nemesis Garuda fought a long battle. Let's see. Finally, Merong won, and he built the glorious new kingdom of Langkawi.
Ooh, tell us about the giants of Langkawi.
Many years ago, giants were guardians of this island. Two of them had a big fight at a wedding feast. Giant pots and pans were hurled at each other, smashing upon the land. And this was how the island of Langkawi was formed.
She got really upset with them.
I turned them into mountains. Gunung Machinjan, Gunung Raya, and Bukit Sawar.
One last story, please.
That's enough for now. Our travelers need to be on their way so they can experience all the stories for themselves.
This way, follow us.
Enjoy your journey into a dream forest made of legends and folklore come to life.
Enter now the world of stories. The path ahead is a one-way route, so there is no doubling back. Dreams, surrounded by mystical Bakawali flowers, also known as Queen of the Night, where the mortal prince Matteja fell in love with the mesmerizing voice of Mambang Sari, our fairy princess. Now, follow Matteja's journey in search of Mambang Sari. But, as you know, the realm of fairies is invisible to the eyes.
Alright, welcome to the world of Tasik Dayang Bunting. We got
With the woman whose voice captured his heart, Matteja traveled to Goa Delta to look for Tukdian.
Hello, welcome sir. Right, you can stand here, you're facing this way.
In a cove by Guajarita, Matteja found a spot where mermaids come to play. Following Tukdian's instructions, he placed a hairbrush and mirror upon the rocks, hoping to lure one of the mermaids ashore. A curious mermaid who was attracted by the glistening mirror perched herself on the rock and spent hours admiring her reflection. She was so distracted, she did not realize the tide had receded. Matteja returned to find the stranded mermaid in distress and told her that he needed her tears to help him see his true love. He then carried her back into the sea. thanks, she gave him her precious tears. Matija rubbed the salty tears upon his eyelid. He could now see the magic and beauty of the invisible world. Oh, how wondrous it was to finally be able to see his heart's true love, Mambang Sari.
లైట్ వాడి రిచ్ అంటారు.
The Chandrawasih bird is Mambang Sari's favorite companion whenever she would descend to play by the lake. At last, Matija was now able to see the invisible fairy world. He looked up and saw the magnificent bird of paradise, Chandrawasih. The Chandrawasih bird is Mambang Sari's favorite companion whenever she would descend to play by the lake. What do you want, my friend? Chinese. The Sangadambai, the guardian of the forest, keeper of the stories. The mother tree sends her energy to the entire forest, protecting the trees and plants and all living creatures inside.
चप्पल बांधे हैं. Nanti lah itu. Ini kan? Oh. Ada monyet dah. Muli. Mul pandai. Undet. Kal kare. Koi ma. ಅವು ಎರ್ನಾಯ್ತು ಶೂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತು ಮೂಗಿಂದು
Cerita nak habaq bagi apa? Kisah hikayat Tamru Mahawangsa dan Garuda. Kisah dia macam ni. Tok Jan nak cerita nak habaq apa? Kisah dua kerajaan nak bersatu dalam satu perkawinan.
Bicara tanpa berbalas raya. Putra hamba seorang. Aku dah masak kenduri besar kerana kau maruah kami tercemar. Tunggu, kita boleh berbincang.
patah menjadi gunung.